country I belong to God, hear that?
Welcome to the DuttyBerryShow's coverage of Rebel Salutes 2023, brought to you by Jinxing Up, distributed by Massive Distribution Limited. Alright, so Rebel Salute 2023, I'm here with Queen Ifrica. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm giving thanks. I'm great, actually.
How does it feel to just consistently just shell the stage?
Humbling.
Humbling, okay.
Yes, humbling. It's very humbling because people can like whoever and whatever they want to.
No, from the other day, I feel like you've been kind of just like laying low key. What have you been doing? Like, you work by your mental health. Like, how are you? You look good. But then I look by your pedicure too, and I say, yeah man, girl, come out nice and be yes.
There's no black spots on the toe.
But then I noticed. So what was the inspiration behind you? Say, yo, this is how much you're performing at?
22. Yes.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Out of the 29, 22 times.
Talk to me good.
Whoa.
You can imagine.
Whoa.
Yeah,
consistency.
Man. Yes.
So, like, what was the inspiration behind, like, you know,
I
this
am
whole entire
Queen
thing?
Ifrica. I am a goddess of love. This is who I am.
And you're fully embodied.
I'm just showing the outward appearance of it. But this is who I am inside. I'm a goddess.
Yeah. You are an artist where you know, say, have some classic songs like the public just loves.
Yes.
Like at this point in time, you feel the need to, when you're going to produce a new song, you feel like there's pressure. Like, say you drop a new song now, you feel like, okay, because I have such iconic songs in the Jamaican space, how them new songs are gonna match up?
Well, when it's a song like Proud of Myself, Proud of Myself, me proud of myself. You're not proud of yourself?
I'm proud of myself, I'm reach far.
You have to proud of yourself.
Yeah.
Only if you're not proud of yourself, them songs they struggle. You understand what I'm saying? I'm proud of myself, man. Brand new, coming soon.
How intentional are you when you do them something you're like, because do you just find a topic and you say, or you just like get a natural inspiration and you draw towards it?
It's natural inspiration and it's also extension of myself, because when I write music, I don't just think about me. I think about many other people out there who want a reason to be proud of themselves, and sometimes maybe they are, but no one tells them that they should be. And so when they hear a song like that, it's like, of course, I am proud of myself, you know, and so the message gets across and I'm good.
You know, like when I have the time, I just want to say this. You are an absolutely amazing performer.
Thank you.
You know what I like to say? When I first came to Rebel Salute and see you perform, and you know, you do your song, what I say, I don't know if Queen Ifrica really about that stage presence live. But you look people in them eye, people feel like it's a one-on-one intimate something they can do. And every time I perform, I literally see people go to them neighbor and say, you know, so she did the thing like she really can perform, and they have their own conversation. Like, you're a class above the rest.
Thank you so much. It's a vibe, you know. I just love what I do, and I love when people acknowledge it and love it as well. So it just keep me humble still. That's what I say.
No, you know, some of you have to touch upon this, and we're not really going at it right now.
Yeah.
But I have to say, like, why would you say that Queen Ifrica takes on this role as like a cultural sort of ambassador to advocate and speak up? And
it shouldn't be me alone. It shouldn't be me alone. It should have been everybody that hold a microphone. But some people love the money more than the message, so them choose the money over the message. But somehow we are going to always stick to the message, because Bob Marley is my icon because of that. He said he's doing what he's doing and the money will come after. And doing what he's doing is telling people how to get along, how to do it, how to rise above them circumstances. If that is, music is the quickest spread. A song can spread in a minute right across the globe. You know what I mean? So I prefer to be on that side where there's a moral compass, where we remind people that music is that tool that can be used to get the change that we want in our lives. And I'm just going to be on that side forever.
Spoken like a true Miss Jamaica.
Yes,
now, I just want to say that, you know, so tomorrow, the blogs and the stuff them, there's going to be a particular headline and all kind of things like that. So I don't have to worry that things say you're capable of bracing people because you're broad
we do anything we want to do with the man. Look for me good.
So I want you to just like talk to the public now. I'm going to just give it 30 seconds. Anything that you want to say to your fans and to Jamaica and for upcoming projects?
There's a brand new song coming out on No Rush Records label called Proud of Myself. You hear it here? Proud of myself. Proud of myself, me say me proud of, tell them Duttyberry. Yes, proud of myself. Proud of myself, me say me proud, Lord. Them will step in your neck and crush it hard. It's a lucky thing, me energy I steal. If you ever know the pain the way me feel, crush out every snake around me ill. Most I jaw anointed. Proud of myself.
Pull up. Take care, go on there, say interview and all the best.
Stepping as the wife of a criminal. It really make no sense at all. Cause it never did the yard in morning. We are turned on upon the concrete in jumping. Sometimes I miss you. Right, baby, and the people never know that I know. I've been up here for the power to show. Yes, I can tell you you're able to soul. I won't forgive you. Right, I'm trying to give you my love. Take one time and come with your kiss and your home. Right, I know. Look, this is the wish of me. Take me, just me and me. Let me say more of me, the head of your family. It's not bother me. But me, I'm coming in the house for you, then you got. To the thing, listen me. Listen, I'm coming, you see, I'm coming, sure, don't mix it, one. I'm not a man, me, don't be from me, God. Don't worry, God. Sometimes I miss you. Right here. Another man, I start the show. Don't shut up, really, I'm afraid to know. Make that right, tell you, say you're able to soul. God won't forgive you. Right here. I wish I never did give you my love. One more time, I'm going to take you home. What you know? You see that to the low picture. Hey, rock it, right away. Guys, you see that on a long picture. I'm talking about them, but I'm with her. Her factories and schools and the masala. Hey, something good with the shelter. We love great things, but we don't want that. What is the kids for the masala? No need no more dogs and no things that get to one of us at home. Right up in the other, something that I know. There's something that I can see. We're awesome, on it our life. We're awesome, on it our life. We have enough, come back away, have enough, have enough, still good, have enough. Me not need to tell us that we have enough things on the mind, and don't try to come. Only this is what makes it live. I'm gonna have it, but you can't make up. Promises are come back to a cold. I'm so old, this. Yeah, man, go to the eye now, hear that? Run an extra. Where's the beers? We're falling and we're falling, but we're gonna make it up tonight. I love you, baby. Hey. Me and my lover just always outside. I want to spend one up here. We quarrel and we fight, but we never make it up. Lord God, I love you, baby. Hey. Me and my lover just always a fight, but him know if it don't be ever swag it. Walk and play for a comeback till late in all the hours with a bunch of the nicest blow. Even though my back still me blood a while. One look below the waist, I'm humble like a child. Now I'll give a whole night of feeling. Plus he must tell you with the most fit. Oh, you know me not gonna knock you down. Now me just walk all the dog. Him say go and go put on your mouth. Pull up here again, man. Pull up this up front. Pull up here again, man. We quarrel and we fight, but we're gonna make it up. Rebel salute, yes. We're gonna make it up. Me and my lover just always a fight, but him know where to do for him to smile again. And him left and come back till late in the over. Burger man, the nicest flowers. Even though me make so till me blood a boil. Man up below the waist, I'm humble like a child. Can't help get the cool die the feeling. Plus if I tell you where they was it, yo, woman, I'm a don't let just walk. If they walk up, put on your tongue. It's another baby. You know me now go pass it down. Don't let just walk. If they walk up, put on your tongue. It's another baby. All right, look at that. Look at that. Now watch it time. So right now, we know. They mash up a country and a laugh off a way who defend it, you know. But the Bible, few hours left here, you see. We still a do it. We still a do it. We still a do it. Yeah. They took away the points again. We're going to run the salute. Them sell we out clean. That them do. Oh. Them should have lucky. Yeah. They took away the voices that gave the people cry. Now we're plunging into darkness. We all have to play our part, make a bold start. Every distraction, every darkness. Media houses, we notice you don't support the slackness. How so much alcohol in our party. The girls are robots and it's the when she drink, knock a brown. Now she don't care. It's times like these I'm missing our heroes. Times like these I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Oh, miss, look, pull up that now. I